In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack elements without merging in Wix Studio easily. If you're working on a website and looking for a way to visually group elements while still maintaining the flexibility to adjust them individually, this is the perfect solution for you. Wix Studio offers a fantastic tool to help you organize your designs without compromising the ability to fine-tune each element later. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use the stack feature effectively, saving you time and improving your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure your browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Now, if you don't already have an account, don't worry. You can easily create one by following the prompts. It's a quick process, and once you're set up, you'll be ready to proceed. Now, for a seamless login experience, I recommend selecting the option to continue with Google. This works particularly well if you're already signed into your Google account. It's just a click away, and you'll avoid having to enter your credentials manually. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the Wix Studio dashboard, which is where you can access all your projects and start editing. Once you're inside the editing environment, the first thing you'll want to do is locate an image on your page. Click on the image to select it. This could be any image that you've already added to your design and want to group with others. After selecting your first image, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on another image you'd like to include in the group. This allows you to select multiple elements at the same time. It's a simple and effective way to manage multiple items without losing precision. With your images selected, look for the Stack feature in Wix Studio. This is the tool that makes it possible to group elements visually without merging them into a single object. Once you've located it, click on the Stack button to activate the feature. What happens next is quite exciting. You'll notice that the selected elements are now grouped together visually. They form a stack, which means they'll move as one unit, making it easier to manage your layout. Here's the best part. Even though the elements appear grouped, they retain their individual properties. This means you can still adjust each image separately whenever you need to. Whether you want to resize one image, tweak its position, or change its design, you have full control without disrupting the stack. This flexibility is what makes the stack feature so powerful. It's perfect for keeping your designs organized while maintaining creative freedom. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to stack elements without merging them in Wix Studio. This feature is not only easy to use, but also incredibly helpful for streamlining your design process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.